I get a kid who really pushes it and says, today I'm not taking my hood off, right?
Yeah.
So you get to my class and I say, hey, Jack, just, hood, when you get a moment, all right? I say, hey, hood. But I may even start my class, the first 5 minutes of my class, which is what I do with every class, which is what we don't do anymore and we need to, is I do that little brief morning meeting. I do not expect kids to transition, come into my room, sit down, get out, sit up straight, get out the materials and begin working. I take the first 5 and say, how's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing? Where'd you just come from? If you came from a physics class or whatever, this is math. So get your math brain on. I know it's tough for some of you, but you got this. You're going to be okay. It's a little cloudy out. So let's figure out how we're going to energize ourselves. Just a little conversation. Then I'll go in and say, hey guys, remember, I'll go next to that kid and say, hey, when you get a chance, get the hood. Okay. You know what to do. And then I back off and give them some space. But if I open my class with a little bit of an opening first without attacking the hood right away, I have a better chance of that kid, taking the hood off on their own. Now, do I stand over them when I say take your hood off and wait for them to take it off? Absolutely not. Do I keep, enforcing that? Absolutely. And the other kids see that. If I go through the whole class and they haven't taken their hood off, then that child and I are going to have a conversation at a different time. If I write it up to the office, I give away all my personal power. They're going to behave for you and not me, which is not my idea of a good time. So if I have to give out a little lunch slip detention, I got to give or maybe I hold that kid back and I say, I let the other kids they're changing classes. They come into my room and I say, okay, guys, just take 5, have a conversation amongst yourself. And I take that kid a little bit straddle the hall so I can see my class. And I say to him, hey, you know what? I don't know if you're having a rough time. I said, but somebody else is going to give you a real hard time with this hood. So don't do that to yourself. If you need something, let me know right now. And usually the kid will go, I'm sorry, miss. They'll take the hood off. Or they'll say, I can't be here today. Okay, let's figure out where we can connect you so that you don't end up getting yourself in more trouble. That's the intervention piece. The intervention piece is trying to make a connection with the kid because you can't give direction without connection.